all, I want to thank the Most High, the God of Africa, for allowing this great family reunion to take place on this great center of the earth. You're not just coming to any part of Africa, you're coming to the center of the world, really. Because when you go to Timber, that's the eastern part of the globe, and then you go on the western part of the globe. So as soon as you go 20 minutes this way, it's the eastern part of the world. So we're thankful and we're very grateful that the Most High gave you the strength and the courage to come. My name is David Jawara. I'm your humble servant that has been blessed to be a part of this great African experience for over 20 years. I've been blessed to be here and survive and to prosper when they say that we could not make it outside of the ghettos or the hood or the woods. But we proved them wrong. We proved that we can live without dope. I live on hope. When I left America, I left the dope. No marijuana, no cocaine, no crack. Because I wanted to make sure I had all my faculties so that I can be free at last. And it paid off. It paid off. And I'm thankful. It's going to pay off for you also. I'd like to also thank the elders. My sister is not an old lady, and she will never be old. But I'm thankful for her and her Lord, because they gave me hope many years ago in Cape Coast. I'm thankful also for the Ghana Investment Promotion Center, who has really been with us for the last 4 or 5 years. So the Ghana government knows that you are here, and they're going to be sharing with you the laws of Ghana. We also have a great brother originally from Jamaica, but he spent time in the U.S. Brother Shabaka is here. We have Sister Dr. Sharita. We all know Dr. Sharita. You know, she don't need no introduction. Dr. Sharita, we heard of the New Body out of California, all over America. Our company, their family company is no small company, okay? And we're thankful for the work that their family is doing. But last but not least, we'd like to thank Brother Bumani. I met him many years ago when he first came. The Creator brought us together.
It's a long time over there.
You know, he had some difficulties, but I said, you ain't heavy, you're my brother. Some forces came against him to try to stop him from doing this, but I knocked the forces down.
Appreciate what we took care of them folks.
Okay? We knocked the forces down. Because, you see, it's like this. When it comes to freedom, we don't compromise. We don't compromise with people that's bringing our people to Africa. Because now there's an effort going on internationally to stop us from coming to Africa. The airline tickets is going up. Ghana Airways is no longer flying. The memorandum is still there in Washington, says keep the blacks in America from the blacks in Africa. Leon Sullivan died, and this thing went down where he was bringing people to Africa. Every 2 years he was bringing the people to Africa. He died, and Jesse Jackson and Farrakhan couldn't keep it up. I was hoping that they could continue to bring thousands of our people to Africa. But we're not losing hope, because we're not on dope. So at this time, we'd like to bring Brother Bumani up, as always, to share his wealth.
Yes, greetings, family. Appreciate everybody's strength and fearlessness to join us and not be caught up in all the hoax and lies and madness about what's going on in Africa. As you can see, we've been here for less than 24 hours and we've had a great time. And now we're looking to share details about investments and all aspects of repatriation. So any questions you have as far as that entire process, you have experts here that as a matter of fact, you have most of the experts right here. So make make sure you make a list of questions. That way, we can just get some great details displayed. So once again, appreciate everybody's strength and energy, and we are gonna have my 37th birthday jam at Share Freak, and it's about 2 hours from now. So enjoy the conference. We'll do a lot of networking, and then we'll reconnect later. All right, and appreciate everybody strength and energy making this program work.
All right. So again, we're going to move swiftly into the program. We have a brother that has had the courage and the strength to leave the island of Jamaica, move to America. I mean, that ain't a journey in itself, just to get out of a so-called developing country to go to America. They charge you, like in Ghana, they charge you $500 just for a visa, and you don't even get it sometimes. So we don't even want to go to that. We don't want to even talk about that.